Hundreds of dollars, destroying tens of millions. The sight of cheap drones, costing only a few $100s, destroying tanks worth millions, is no longer surprising. The battlefield, once ruled by massive tanks, warships, and advanced fighter jets, has completely changed. A new ruler of modern warfare has emerged, small in size, low in cost, but incredibly powerful: the drone. And with the rise of drones, the age of cost-effective warfare has begun. First developed for military use in 1918, early drones were nothing more than simple reconnaissance aircraft and expendable tools. But with the rise of AI technology, they evolved into intelligent weapons and eventually became game changers capable of threatening even conventional military forces. There is one major reason why drones are different from other weapons: their price. A weapon costing only hundreds of dollars can dominate the battlefield. In the past, this would have sounded impossible. After witnessing the incredible efficiency of drones, countries around the world are now racing to develop them. Nations that once struggled to afford expensive military systems are now focusing heavily on drone technology. And drones continue to evolve. As AI and robotics advance, drones are moving beyond simple remote-controlled weapons and becoming intelligent combat systems capable of making decisions on their own. Some AI drones can already distinguish between friend and foe, and even decide when to attack. And with swarm technology, where hundreds of drones move together simultaneously, their power is growing even more rapidly. So how do we stop these highly cost-effective drones? Using expensive interceptor missiles against cheap drones is extremely inefficient. A smarter defense strategy is needed. And the answer is coming from light itself: laser weapons. Lasers focus powerful beams of energy to target and destroy threats. Instead of ammunition, they require only electricity, allowing repeated use. And because they fire at the speed of light, they are nearly impossible to evade. And one more important point: they are far cheaper to operate. If drones are cost-effective offensive weapons, then lasers are cost-effective defensive weapons. Modern warfare is being reshaped by low cost and high efficiency. Today, it is no longer the biggest or strongest weapon that survives. It is the most efficient one. And in this new age of cost-effective warfare, perhaps we should ask one final question. Isn't the ultimate cost-effectiveness a world where no one has to fight?